Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can invite friends and play together Shape of Dreams. So what you'll need to do is click on Dream Together right here. You have three options. You can create public lobby, create invite only lobby, and join lobby. So click one of those. I would like to create public lobby so everyone can join to me. And as you can see, if I join right here, I can select a lobby code right here and copy it and send it to friends. Here you'll see when your friends join their nicknames and how you can put that code in. So let's say I'm a friend that wants to join me. So just click join lobby and right here click join with lobby ID, copy and paste your lobby code and click join. And that's pretty much it. That's how we join lobby. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys and see you in the next one.